Now the topic is dry granulation. When we need to prefer the dry granulation means when we need to improve the flow of powder, when we need to improve the cohesion between the particles, and when we need to increase the segregation. Segregation is responsible for the disintegration of the particles in the gastrointestinal system, and but the compatibility is good. Compatibility between the excipients are good. Compatibility between the excipients is good, but we need to increase the flow, we need to increase the cohesion, we need to increase the segregation between the particles. So dry granulation methods can be done by using two methods. One is roller compaction, another one is slugging. In the slugging, what we can do means just punching by using punches, by using the tablet press. We are punching, we are getting the slugs. See, two tablet punches are there. When we need to compress, means leads to formation of slugs. Slugs also called as the tablets. Slugs also we can call as the tablets. Next here, under roller compaction. This is hopper. This hopper containing granules. Then when we need to pour the granules, then these granules will fall on these particles, on this one, and then leads to the formation of ribbon-like material. Ribbon-like material we can call as compacts or flakes. Ribbon-like material we can call as a compacts or flakes by using roller compactor. See, all these two rollers are moving in opposite direction, not in the same direction. See, not in the same direction. They are moving in the opposite direction. Roller compactor, ribbon-like metal we can call as compacts or flakes. So whatever the formed compacts, whatever formed the slugs here, we need to crush, means we need to reduce the size reduction. We need to do. See, leads to compact size reduced of size. Slugs size reduction is done. Next, we need to pass these small particles through the screen, through the sieve or screen. Through the screen, we need to pass these particles. Then we can get the size of this sieve, the particle size of this sieve. See, these are the sieve size is somewhat more. Then we can get like this. See, we have got the some like granule type. We have get the granules type here. Then we are adding lubricants. In case of mixing, just we are adding the lubricant to these screened particles, to these granules. We are adding lubricant. This lubricant will coat these granules. Then mixing, just we need to mix this lubricant with these granules. Here mixer, V-cone mixer we are using here. Then direct compression by using the punches, tablet punches. Then we got tablet. Then we have got the tablet by using compression. Using the tablet punches, we have got the tablet. Then what is the application? See, when we need to prefer, by what methods we can synthesize, what are the methods we need to use in order to make dry granulation, like roller compaction and slugging, and how the process is going on. We have got the tablet now. So for what kind of products we are using this dry granulation means, heat sensitive materials. See, in the wet granulation we are using the spray dryer or tray dryer. Drying is we are doing in order to evaporate the solvent. Means binder solution is consist of polymer plus solvent. In order to remove the solvent, we are using dryer. Means we need to do drying. So during the drying, some heat sensitive material, means heat sensitive materials, excipients will get degraded. So hence we are not using for the heat sensitive material. Heat sensitive material and moisture sensitive material are not preferable in case of wet granulation. Where they can be preferred means by using dry granulation. We are not doing anything, we are not using any heat or like moisture, water is not there. In case of wet granulation, we are using water as a binder. We are dissolving the polymer into the water. Then we can get binder solution. That binder solution we are using that binder solution we are using for formation of granule. So that binder contain water. That water may degrade the hydrolyzed products. Means the water sensitive products will degraded by using water in case of dry granulation. So these two advantages: heat sensitive, we are not doing drying; moisture sensitive, we are not using any solvent here, water. And effervescent tablet. Effervescent tablet means, for effervescent tablet, why means water means citric acid is there, then it needs, if it will react with water in case of wet granulation, then leads to degradation of, means there is no formation of effervescent tablet in wet granulation. So here we are not using water, hence effervescent tablets can be prepared. Moisture sensitive drug, heat sensitive drugs, moisture sensitive drug, and effervescent tablets can be manufactured by using dry granulation. Effervescent tablets, why we are not using means that in wet granulation we are using water as a solvent. If water reacts with citric acid as a excipient present in the tablet, then the tablet will degrade. So these are the different methods for synthesizing the tablet in dry granulation.